So, is your crypto dream of turning a relatively modest amount of money into a significant portfolio still alive? Is the fire still burning? These are questions you need to answer, especially if you are within the crypto space. Our 15k to 600k portfolio challenge is still alive and the dream lives on. Hi guys, this is FD for SageVibe.tv once more back with another video, and it's that time again when we bring you an update on one of our public portfolios, which is the 15k to 600k portfolio challenge. Since the last update of our 15k to 600k portfolio challenge, the market has continued to be choppy and sometimes it ain't pretty, and we stand by the decisions and choices we've made and continue to believe in the projects we've invested in. Well, almost all of them really. So the 15k to 600k portfolio challenge, here it's 6 ecosystems or 6 blockchains, with each having a budget of $2,500 to be invested in a selection of projects. The 16 ecosystems or blockchains are Ethereum, Cosmos, Cardano, Polkadot, Near Protocol, and Ego blockchain. Those are the 6. So starting with the Ethereum blockchain, we have a position in Vulcan Forged and its PYR token. Vulcan Forged is a metaverse project on the Ethereum blockchain. We currently own 102.81 units of the PYR token with an average unit price of $3.50 and an overall cost of $359.96 invested to date. If you want to know more about Vulcan Forged, please see our deep dive into Vulcan Forged via the link in the description section to a DYOR risk evaluation video we did and released some time ago. In that video, we also cover what Vulcan Forged is. You will find other useful links to additional resources on Vulcan Forged. Now, onto some price movements week on week. Last week's price was $2.88. Portfolio value last week was $296.30. This week's price is sitting at $2.89. Week on week price change 0.34% up. Portfolio value this week is $296.62, so that's a slight change of 32 cents. Overall PYR position performance, we are down $63.36 or minus 17.6%. So again, that's a sign of strength considering what's happening out there. So as far as Vulcan Forged is concerned, the fundamentals have not changed at all, and this is one project I believe will do well come the next bull run. And once again, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research, starting with our videos on Vulcan Forged. Links in the description. Whilst you're down there, guys, don't forget to click like and subscribe. As always, smash that notification. Next up is the Dotsama ecosystem, which consists of Polkadot and Kusama networks combined. We refer to that as Dotsama ecosystem, where we still hold 2 positions in Remark, which is an NFT and metaverse project on Kusama network, as well as Bit.country, another metaverse project also on the Kusama network. So far, we have invested in 2 metaverse projects in Bit.country and Remark to the tune of $721.33 total cost. Starting with Bit.country then, and its Near token. Price-wise, last week's price was sitting at 29.04 cents. Portfolio value last week was sitting at $233.49. This week's price for Near is sitting at 27.28 cents. Week on week percentage change minus 6.6% decrease. Portfolio value this week is sitting at $219.29. Overall Near position performance, we are down 9.46% or $22.91. So again, considering the situation we are facing at the moment, this is still showing some resilience. It is also important to note that Bit.country is still a very small market cap project, and there's more room to grow if the team continues to build between now and the next bull run, whenever that comes. Anyway, next up is Remark, where we hold 206.77 Remark tokens at an average cost of $2.32 with an overall cost of $478.88. Now let's dive into the price action week on week. Last week's price was $2.19. Portfolio value last week was $452.39. This week's price is sitting at $2.21. Week on week percentage change, we are 0.9% up. So that's not bad. This is starting to look like it's a consolidation price level in my own view, because it's been sitting here for quite a while, and each time the price goes up, when it comes back down, tends to settle around this $2.15 to $2.25 position. Anyway, portfolio value this week is sitting at $456.48. Overall Remark position within our 15k to 600k portfolio challenge, we are down slightly by 4.68% or $22.43 down, again, which is a sign of strength from Remark here. And there are also some updates we'll bring you later on, because Remark smart contracts have just gone through the first phase of inspection, and I think they will now be going to an external team to see if they can be reviewed. So that is a massive update on Remark, and there are a myriad of other updates that are coming through for this summer project. Watch the space. So while not all crypto projects will make it out of the current bull run, it is worth noting that Remark reached an all-time high of over $66 during the last bull run, which was its one and only bull run to date. This is not by any means a suggestion that Rimac will surpass its previous all-time high, but being a solid project as it is, I can honestly say I can't see the Rimac token not at least tripling its previous all-time high, especially now that the project is actually building to bring more use cases to the Rimac token itself, with more happening across the Rimac ecosystem. If you want to know more about Rimac, then please follow the links in the description. It's also worth noting that there are still some land sales over at Skybridge for those who are interested, and the prices, they continue to come down week on week, and they are now a lot cheaper than they were before. But I'm not sure if there is an appetite for real estate in the metaverse at this moment in time, especially during this period we're going through. Next is a lending and borrowing protocol on the Cardano blockchain, and that is AIDA Finance, a borrowing and lending protocol on the Cardano blockchain. We've invested a total of $173.69 into AIDA Finance, and as is kind of the norm now, I think we're starting to say this week in, week out, the price continues to dump. Last week's price was sitting at 27.04 cents. Portfolio value last week was $43.76. This week's price is sitting at 19.33 cents. Week on week price change, a whopping minus 28.5% down. Portfolio value this week, $31.29. Overall position performance within our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge for AIDA Finance, we are down $142.39 or 81.98% down. Once again, as you can see, AIDA Finance continues to be the worst of the lot within our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge, and there are no signs that this could be reversing anytime soon. Now, one of the things we've actually done is not to continue piling into AIDA Finance, because it looks like at this moment in time, it's going to take quite a lot for AIDA Finance to reverse the trend and gain momentum for people to start showing interest. As things are, we're just going to park our position as it is and make no moves at all. Again, guys, if you think otherwise, let us know in the comment section. At this moment in time, someone is dumping the token, so we are no one's exit liquidity. We'll maintain our minimum position as it is, and we won't be increasing anytime soon. So as with many crypto projects out there, always be prepared that it could go to zero. In fact, this is increasingly looking likely with AIDA Finance. In addition, there have been at least 2 crypto projects fail within the Cardano ecosystem this week, with Adana pretty much rug pulling its community and another project called Orbis going the same way. It goes to show that all the virtue signaling from the Cardano community earlier on was just misplaced faith in some of these Cardano-based projects. Bad players are everywhere across cryptocurrency. You can't just find them on Ethereum or Solana. They are everywhere, and they don't care who is caught in the crossfire. Greedy project founders, I say. There is an expletive there that I'm not going to say. Anyway, enough about that. Anyway, moving on. Onto Akashi Network, a Cosmos ecosystem blockchain within our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge. At this moment in time, we hold 1,083 AKT token with an average cost price of 23.19 cents and a total cost of $251.11 for our overall position in Akashi Network. So how is Akashi Network and its Akashi token doing this week? Well, last week's price was sitting at 19.42 cents. Portfolio value last week was sitting at $210.29. This week's price is sitting at 24.33 cents, which is a slight improvement on the previous week. Week on week price change, we are up a good 25%. Okay, that's a good move. Portfolio value this week is sitting at $263.45. So overall, our Akashi position in our portfolio, we are up $12.81 or 5.1% up. So Akashi is now up. Well, it was up before we had that FTX failure or crash. Next up is Near Protocol, one of our positions within our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge. Near continues to suffer from the FTX scandal, and the price downtrend may continue for a while in the short term. Long term though, we expect Near Protocol to be one of the leading projects of the next bull run. Again, guys, this is not financial advice. These are just my own opinions. If you want to know why we are still bullish on Near even during this bear market and experiencing the price drops we are experiencing as far as Near Protocol is concerned, then look no further than our previous videos where we are highlighting Near Protocol's latest roadmap. Quite impressive the roadmap is, I must say. Our average buying price for Near token is $3.32, and we hold 56.43 Near tokens in total at a total cost of $187.99. Last week's price was $1.83. Portfolio value last week was $103.29. This week's price for the Near token is sitting at $1.61. Week on week price change, we are down 13.7%. Portfolio value this week is sitting at $90.75. Overall, the portfolio performance, we are down $96.72 or 51.57%. Again, that's sizable, but I'm sure there are projects that are down a lot more than this over the past 2 weeks or so. I'm not saying it's okay, but we know Near has got a lot of promise as far as we're concerned. It's a solid layer 1 project with a growing ecosystem. I think we've done a DYO or a risk evaluation on a project that is is within the Near ecosystem. That project, I think, is Octopus Network. If you want to know more, if the video is not live yet, please keep watching the space and you got to see our review of Octopus Network. That was an interesting one to review. Anyway, early days yet as far as Near is concerned, and this one is a promising future in my view. What do you guys think about Near protocol? Please comment down below and let us know your thoughts. Other projects that we are looking at closely include Kujira, another Cosmos project we are yet to establish a position on. For our take on Kujira, please visit our latest video that we applied the DYOR on Kujira quite recently, I believe. Yet another project that we've looked at recently is Ribbon Finance. Video link is in the description. We are yet to open positions in Ego blockchain and Ego ecosystem, but that will be coming soon, so keep watching the space as well. So overall, the 15K to 600K portfolio challenge has seen a total of $1,694.08 invested, and current portfolio value is sitting at $1,327.88. So we are down $336.20 in the red, thanks to the FTX contagion, which is affecting the crypto market widely, broadly. So our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge to date is down 19.8% overall, which is an improvement from last week because we're down around 21%, I believe. So that is a respectable performance as far as we are concerned, considering what is currently happening across the crypto space. We continue to hold strong beliefs in all the projects we hold within our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge, apart from one, of course, which is Ahead Finance, which could honestly go to zero. Questions for you guys. When do you think the market will flip from bear to bull run? Let us know in the comment section. Do you foresee further capitulation from where we are today? And if so, by how much further? What is the latest project you have added to date? And most importantly, have you moved any of your tokens within our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge, if you're invested in them, of course, from an exchange to a wallet that you actually control and you keep the keys? Not your keys, not your crypto. Remember that? That's quite true. We will probably be doing another video on digital wallets soon to reaffirm our passion in making sure that crypto holders, regardless of what community you belong to, what coins you hold, are safe. If you want to know that video, please let us know your thoughts by upvoting this video down below, or just click like. I think that's the way you can upvote that. Until next time, guys, this was your update on our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge with your host, FD for Seed5.tv, signing out for now. Bye.